Hey, what's up, Dinesh?
Okay, you greet uncle. You greet uncle also. Baba.
What's up, Dinesh?
Uncle Zeb, Happy Father's Day daw. Oh.
Happy Father's Day to your papa, don't me. After you buy you buy ready?
Bye-bye, Papa.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Dinesh. Hello, Dinesh. Your first,
Papa. Bottle.
your first Father's Day this year, eh?
Huh?
Your first Father's
This
Day.
one photo on throw.
No, big one don't throw, big one.
This one?
Regular don't throw. This one throw. This one throw.
This one throw.
इसके अंदर ठीक है ना?
Very good. Throw.
Why you are looking at that?
It's nothing. Throw.
I think what you are still holding your
Papa, the nice bottle throw.
Regular don't throw.
Aray ko. Kamu na, Papa. You greet already, ha? No. Opo. Okay. Papa, go already. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. How are you today? How are you tomorrow? How are you today? How are you today? How are you tomorrow? How are you today? Baby? Maisip man ang bibig ko po. Hi guys! Hi po! Hi everybody! Hi po sa everybody! Nakaligo na po kaming dalawa ng baba ko. Si Papa po pumasok na sa work. Right, buddy? Right, buddy. Buddy. Po. Say hi to them. Hi, hello. Hi. How do you do? Hi. Yes. Nakaligo na kami, guys. Actually, nakatulog na to. Ilang minuto lang nagising uli. Opo. Call na sana po tayo kay Lola Maming. Matawag po tayo kay Lola Maming. Opo. Come on na, Babo. Makul tayo kay Lola Maming, please. Walking kami, guys. Dito kami, guys. Look. ng mama. Walking kami guys. But parang uulan na. Diba? We have to be very fast. Because it's going to rain, buddy. Ah! Look! Dito siya dinadala ng tatay na everyday. Ayan. Ayan. Ulan na guys. Kaya uwi na kami. Huh? Huh? Mama is scared you're gonna bite mosquito, you know? Hmm? Buddy? Hmm? Hmm? Ta. Na. Ito kami dumaan guys. Hindi kami dumaan doon. Ito kami dadaan. Right, Bob? Watch out! Bahay na kami guys. Uulan. Uulan po. Kaya hindi kami tumagal sa labas. Dumadagundong. It's going to rain, right, buddy? Ulan, guys. Kaya nakaisang round lang kami. Nakaisang round lang kami, guys. Say hi. Hi to them. Hi. Hi. Uulan guys. Ayan. Kaya bilis kami umuwi. Umuwi lang kami. Ito nga pala yung aking hindi matapos-tapos na ginagawa. Dahil ang bata ay umiiyak. Very clingy nowadays.